Before the BC AD system existed, years were commonly reckoned by binding them to the current emperor, king, or other chief figure, whether his birth or beginning of his reign. In some parts of the Asian world, this partly continued into the 20th century. But such year calculations have never been uniform. They've naturally been all different all over the world due to differing leaders of different nationalities and other disputes, and considerable interaction with other peoples became ever more likely as the centuries rolled on. Under these circumstances, the old systems would cause chaos and friction. So in AD 525, the monk Dionysius Exeges of Scythia Minor invented the BC AD system. AD stands for the Latin Anno Domini, meaning year of our Lord. BC stands for before Christ. When using AD, it should be put before the year number, such as AD 2023. BC should come after. Dionysius' system eventually united most of the world and still does today. Beginning in the 18th century, the BCE CE system started becoming widespread at the end of the 20th century. BCE equals before Common Era, CE equals Common Era. Though it's often claimed that the purpose is to create religious neutrality, the real reason is to help eliminate Christianity. The system is essentially incorporated by anti-religious people. A religious group that also uses the BCE CE system exclusively are so-called Jehovah's Witnesses. This indicates that they too oppose historical Christianity, excuses notwithstanding. Also, the letters are confusing as they're the same except for adding or subtracting the B, while the BCAD initials are clearly distinct. Plus, the newer system is not based on science or any such significant thing. It just rips off the BCAD system, and the term Common Era is meaningless nonsense as it's used. Common simply means frequent or ordinary. There was no one era from AD 1 to AD 2023. There were numerous distinct eras. For example, the age of the Roman Empire, the Middle Ages, the Renaissance, the start of the modern era, including the scientific revolution, the industrial revolution, and today's computer age, just to name some. So, fight back against all attempts to eliminate historical Christianity and all other wholesome traditional values.